Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit, and I am priming my face with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And going in with the brows, I am using my Anastasia Dip Brow, and this is in the shade Ebony. And to carve out my brows, I am using my Milani concealer in the shade Natural Sand. And for foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 390. So I like to use a more defined brush over my brows just so that the foundation doesn't get into my brows. So I like to be very much precise with the area around my brows. And then I do go back in with that Milani concealer under my eyes as well as my eyelids. And to set that concealer in place, I'm using my Mercier translucent setting powder. And to set the foundation, I'm using my black Radiance powder in milk chocolate. And I'm also going to use that to contour my nose as well. Because the face is very minimal and we're using very simple lashes and the look is very toned down, I want to really have super glowy skin. As you know, I am a dry skin girl, so I like to stay very dewy. So just to add some definition, I'm going to bronze up my face using my Fenty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty. And for highlighter, I'm going to use my Anastasia loose highlighter in Sunset Aurora. But first I'm going to set my face using my Urban Decay All-Nighter. It is beginning to warm up outside and I just want to set my face and make sure it lasts all day. And for lips, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath lip liner in the shade Brown Control, which is just a dark brown liner. And I'm also going to just add a gloss today, and I'm using the Artist Couture lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Sugar Baby, and it has that diamond doe foot applicator, which I think plays a part with the application of the gloss. But I do love this gloss, and this is it. This is the final look. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next video.